So are you cheap or hate spending money? Well, I'm going to show you how to install Sidequest, which is going to give you a ton of free games. So the first thing is, of course, grab your PC and hop right on it. Go to sidequestvr.com. The link will be down in the description in case you need it. And once you go to the website, the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the search box right on top and type in Sidequest space VR. And right here, we're going to see it pop right up, and you're just going to click on that. And once it loads, pretty much all we're going to need to do is just go over here and click download app. After that, just click on download for Windows. If you're on Windows, you just download that one. If you do need more, you just click the drop down arrows. And they got it for Mac and all that good stuff. And of course, you can do it on mobile too. I'll be having a dedicated video on how to set that up. Then after you install it, pretty much what you're going to want to do is just click here, open instructions, and it's going to show you how to create an organization in a basic dev account, which is super easy to do. I'll have a dedicated video on it down below. It's going to be in the description when it's done. And then after that, you're going to want to make sure you have the Quest 2 connected to your PC over Type-C or USB to Type-C. Then you're going to go in the headset and pretty much hit allow. This will allow the headset to basically communicate with your computer and access the data. And after you do that, it'll pretty much say you're ready to install Sidequest, and pretty much it's as easy as just clicking install. Wait for a load, and there you go. You have Sidequest on your headset. So we're gonna hop right into the Quest 2 itself, and we're gonna go up to apps, and then select unknown apps. Then from there, we're just gonna launch Sidequest. It's gonna pull up a 6-digit code, and all you're gonna do is just go to that link and input that code. And then from there, all you gotta do is just link it to your account. And if you don't have an account, it's super easy to create. You just go through and you can either use your Gmail or you can just create one with an email. It's super easy to do. Then once you get to this point, you can pretty much just go through, download any game you want right from your Quest 2. And this pretty much eliminates you having to depend on a desktop at all. And there's literally hundreds, if not thousands of really awesome games on here. And if you're interested in my top 10 recommended games off of Sidequest, stay tuned. I got a ton of content coming. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or need any help.